Taking care of your car means knowing when to replace essential parts. Today, we'll cover 5 key components that require regular maintenance to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Let's dive in. Motor oil is the lifeblood of your engine. Over time, it loses its lubricating properties and gets contaminated. Most manufacturers recommend changing it every 7,000 to 10,000 kilometers, depending on your driving habits. Delayed oil changes can lead to increased engine wear, overheating, and even complete failure. Your transmission fluid keeps gear shifts smooth and prevents overheating. In automatic transmissions, it's typically changed every 50,000 to 100,000 kilometers. Manual transmissions often require a change every 30,000 to 60,000 kilometers. Old or degraded fluid can cause jerky shifting, slipping gears, and costly repairs. Spark plugs ignite the fuel-air mixture in your engine, ensuring smooth performance. Standard plugs last around 30,000 to 50,000 kilometers, while iridium or platinum plugs can go up to 100,000 kilometers. Worn-out spark plugs cause misfires, poor fuel efficiency, and sluggish acceleration. Brake pads wear down due to constant friction. Depending on driving conditions, they usually need replacing every 30,000 to 70,000 kilometers. Warning signs include squeaking noises, reduced braking power, and vibrations. Ignoring worn-out brake pads can damage the rotors and lead to expensive repairs. Coolant prevents your engine from overheating in summer and freezing in winter. Over time, it loses its protective properties and can cause corrosion inside the cooling system. Most manufacturers recommend changing it every 50,000 to 100,000 kilometers. If left unchanged, it can lead to overheating, leaks, and engine damage. Regular maintenance saves you from costly repairs and keeps your car in top shape. Have you ever experienced issues due to delayed replacements? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next episode where we'll cover more essential car parts.